Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G60 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible as it is for me, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with a pop-up of two options, which is share and edit, and after a moment they disappear. There we go. So once the screenshot pop-up disappears, you can find it in your photo application by navigating into library. This will create a new album called screenshots, as you can see right over here, and this will display obviously just screenshots that I have captured over the time, and you can view them right here. So this is the one that I have captured literally on the video. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.